Stop scrolling. Seriously, you're not in your house, your apartment, or your beat-up sedan. You're in this, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. And right now, I'm literally floating. This isn't just a car. It's a land yacht. It's an office. It's a spa. Starting at roughly $250,000, this Maybach is the definition of "I've made it, forget driving, the real party is back here." Power doors, heated and cooled everything, and a legroom measurement that's practically a zip code. We're going to dive into the V8, the V12, the new tech, and the one feature that actually blew my mind. But first, let's talk about why you buy this over a regular S-Class. The vibe check. Host gestures to the entire rear cabin. This is where $250,000 of German engineering lives. This is the executive rear seat. It reclines to 43.5 circ. It has a calf massage that you didn't know you needed. And the Maybach pillows? They're softer than a cloud wearing velvet pajamas. And check this. Host uses the MBUX rear tablet to open the rear window shade. Total control. Now for the details. The folding tables feel like they belong in a private jet. We have the integrated fridge, because who wants warm bubbly? And of course, the signature Maybach silver-plated champagne flutes. It's extra, but if you're spending this much, you want the extra. They literally designed a custom cuffholder to secure these things. That's a flex. Look at the stitching. Look at the ambient lighting that runs from the roof, down the pillars, and around the seats. It's a 64-color light show. The tech back here is next level. You have dual high-res displays and this little removable MBUX tablet in the armrest. It controls everything: nav, music, climate, even the speed of the driver if you felt like it. Host winks. And the doors? They don't just soft close. They have electric comfort doors. You push a button and the car silently, elegantly closes itself for you. You never have to lift a finger. That's peak Maybach. Okay, but the craziest part is the quiet. They use double laminated, noise-insulating glass. The road noise vanishes. The engine noise gone. You're riding on airmatic suspension, and if you get the legendary S680, a glorious handcrafted 6.0 liters V12 Biturbo with 621 horsepower. It's powerful, but it's silent power. It's what the 1%ers want. Alright, enough being chauffeured. Time to see what the driver gets in this $250,000 masterpiece. Spoiler, it's still ridiculous. This front dash is dominated by a 2.8-inch OLED central display. It's vibrant, responsive, and runs the latest MBUX system. The best part? The augmented reality head-up display. It projects navigational arrows right onto the road ahead of you. It's like having a video game overlay in real life. It also has a 3D instrument cluster. You don't need special glasses, it just pops. And for security, we've got a fingerprint and facial recognition scanner to load your profile. Personalized luxury at the highest level. Let's appreciate the curb appeal. It's basically an S-Class that hit the gym and then bought a ridiculously expensive suit. The Maybach grille with its vertical slats screams important. That two-tone paint? That alone is a several $1,000 option, taking a week to hand finish. And the badge on the C-pillar? Pure status symbol. It says, I could buy a dozen regular luxury cars, but I chose this. So, what's it like to drive? You have the S580 with its 496 horsepower's mild hybrid V8, or the King, the S680 V12. Both are all-wheel drive. Both are brutally fast when they need to be, but they never ever feel aggressive. It's about effortless motion. The rear axle steering makes this giant sedan maneuver like a much smaller car in the city. It's not a sports car, it's a magic carpet. You float over potholes. You whisper to the engine. It just goes. Let's get real. At the $207,000 starting price for the S580 and easily topping $250,000 for a well-optioned S680, you're playing in the ultra-luxury sandbox. So, who are we competing with? Rolls-Royce Ghost? Bentley Flying Spur? The Maybach is the stealth wealth option. It's got all the opulence, but it doesn't shout like a Rolls. It's for the person who wants to be comfortable first and flashy second. The true value is in the stuff you don't see on the spec sheet. Like how the Burmester 4D sound system has tactile transducers in the seats, the bass literally vibrates your body. Or the air balance system, which doesn't just filter the air, it perfumes the cabin. This is aromatherapy, luxury car style. They sweat the small stuff so you don't have to. The question everyone asks, S580 V8 or S680 V12? The V8 is smoother, more efficient, and honestly, still plenty fast. But the V12 in the S680? That's the one you buy for the heritage, the feeling of absolute, unbothered superiority. You hear that V12 badge click when you close the door, and you know you bought the king. It's the emotional purchase. So, is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class worth the $250,000 plus asking price? Look, for 99% of people, the regular S-Class is already incredible. But for that tiny sliver of the market who sees their car not as a transport but as a sanctuary, absolutely. Think about it. This is your personal oasis. It's the only place in the world where you can take a conference call, get a hot stone massage, charge your phone wirelessly, and sip a perfectly chilled beverage, all while moving at 70 miles per hour in absolute silence. It redefines what luxury car even means. It's a full experience, not just a vehicle. The vibe check. It passes with flying colors. It's the ultimate German flagship. It's the anti-stress device. It's the new benchmark. And honestly, it's totally changed my perspective on what's possible in a car. Let me know what you think in the comments below, V8 or V12. And what's the one luxury feature you can't live without? Hit that like button, subscribe for more ridiculous luxury reviews, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out from the back of the Maybach.